Today is day one of our $1 million flip in Los Angeles, California. My name is Sam, my partner's name is Eddy. We both have no idea what we're doing, zero experience, but we're doing it. We bought this house, we're gonna tear it down and build a new house. Follow along, I'm gonna show you guys what we have on our hands, all the problems we face and how we solve them. Let's go. All right guys, I'm driving you to the property right now. We just closed escrow. I'm really excited. There's a lot of stuff at that house that we need to address. I wanna give you guys a quick tour of the house, talk to you guys about how we acquired this house, which is off market. We did not find it on the MLS, which is great because you could save on broker fees. I know all your real estate agents down in the comments are talking right now, but it's a lot of fees. And if I could save that money and put it in my pocket, I definitely want to do that. Eddie, who's my partner on this deal, is actually in Seattle right now. His wife is in residency over there. He's probably walking to the hospital as we speak. Unfortunately, he can't be here right now, but the second we get our permits issued, he's flying in and we're getting this project taken care of. Like I said, we both have no idea what we're doing. We both have a passion for real estate. We find that it can be very lucrative, so we want to try this out. We want to also give you guys a walkthrough of the problems and issues that arise when you're doing a project for the first time and have no idea what you're doing. Yes, we have general experience in life and business and other things, but when it comes to building a house, zero idea, zero concept of anything. So follow me to the house and you guys can see what's going on there. Guys, we're here at the house. Then I'll take you guys inside and we'll do a walkthrough and I'll show you what we have in the house. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're at the front of the house. I'm gonna take you guys in, give you guys a little tour. This house is in North Hollywood. Right now it's 900 square feet as it stands. We got 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Obviously that's gonna all change with the addition. The addition that we're doing is almost new construction. We kind of figured that out when we walked through the project. We were trying to figure out what we're gonna offer her to buy the house. If you take a look around, you'll see outside of the things that we have here, there's a bunch of trash and stuff in the house. We let her leave whatever she wanted in the house because honestly, it didn't matter to us. We were gonna get a dumpster away and throw it out. I actually came up with a little strategy to get rid of all this junk without paying for hauling and trash. If you look down, the floors and stuff are a little bit messed up. They're all hardwood floors. All of this is gonna go. We got some cracks and stuff up here. There's a lot of things that are going on in this house that are a problem. Over here through this way, so you have an entrance on that side that goes into the living room, the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. On this side we have the kitchen. You walk into the kitchen, she took her little fridge with her. If you look over here, we have basically old cabinets, the little whatever countertops. I don't even know what these are called, to be honest with you. You come over this way, we got the old door with the beautiful, I call this church glass. I don't know what it actually is. But yeah, it's a small kitchen overall. It's not anything too crazy or too big. But like I said, we're gonna go out that way, about 1,500 square feet. So it's not necessarily important to us what the existing is in a flip like this. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just talking. These are all ideas, and until it happens, they are just ideas. So if I take you over here into the bathroom, we'll get some lights on. This is a really old bathroom. It's very small. It's weird. It has 2 doors. So the entrance we came in through, and then this door here. There's a lot of things wrong with this, and you'll see like small little areas here and there that are not where they need to be. So coming out this way, we get into this little hallway. We got a little nasty closet here, and then we got 2 bedrooms. The main bedroom behind me, which is where she lived, and then the one in the back. So if you come into this bedroom, you'll kind of see that it's a decent sized bedroom. The carpet actually pulled up here. I pulled that up to see what was underneath. The hardwood continued throughout. She left her little 2 nightstands and whatnot in the mattress and bed. I'm gonna take you back on over this way through the hallway into the 2nd bedroom. This is a beautiful, again, smaller bedroom with a little semi-walk-in closet. Has a little light. That's a fan favorite. I know everyone loves a little light. But that's basically the house. We just toured the house in, 2 minutes. I'm gonna jump outside and I'm gonna show you guys the backyard along with the pool and everything. All right guys, so this is the kitchen door leading back to the backyard. I'm gonna take you guys through the backyard, but before I do that, we're gonna go over here to the garage. There's no access to the garage from inside, and the garage is also filled with a bunch of junk, along with everything you guys see right here as we're walking through. So this is the garage. It is a interesting garage. The previous homeowner actually told me that someone used to live here and they had plumbing here over there, but somebody, I guess one of the neighbors complained and they had to kick them out. So in the front, you can't see here because there's a bunch of insulation, a mattress, and a bunch of junk here that we're gonna try to get rid of today. So I'm gonna take you guys over by the pool house. All right, so we're by the pool right now. It has a nice pool. There's a cover on it. You guys can't see right now, but it's a little bit cracked up. It needs to be replastered. But the one thing that we had cool here is this little pool house. This is existing with the home and it's permitted and everything, so we're gonna be able to use this as well. Interesting story again. I feel like properties where there's money to be made, there's a lot of interesting stories. There used to be someone that actually lived here. If you look around, there's no toilet here, but there was a guy that lived here and he would not go inside the house. So I'm not gonna guess and assume what was going on, but the guy lived here. I actually saw him in the pool kind of washing up one time when I was visiting the property. So again, I'm not gonna assume what was going on, but there was a guy living here that was probably not supposed to be living here, but it's in pretty nice shape. It looks nice and decent. It probably just needs some drywall and it'll be good to go because right now all we have is the pool. So if we step back over here this way, we'll walk around. On this side, we have the pool equipment, which again is really, really old, but you know, it is what it is. That's pretty much the tour of the house. What I'm gonna do now is I'll set you guys up inside and we're gonna start clearing out room by room. I think we're gonna start with the garage and go from there. All right guys, so in the garage, there's a lot of stuff here. There's beds, there's shelves, and there's a lot of trash. For the trash, we're gonna bag everything up, put it to the side, and we're gonna slowly get rid of it using the regular trash bins. For all the other stuff, Los Angeles City actually has a program called bulky item pickup where they pick up anything bulky that's not construction material. So everything in your house that you can't throw away in the trash, you can just set outside, call them, they pick it up on your trash day. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set all those items outside on the curb right now, and then we're gonna list it on Craigslist and offer up on Facebook Marketplace and all those things, kind of letting them know there's free stuff here and take pictures of it. So whoever wants can come pick up whatever they want. And for everything else, it's going in the trash at no cost to us. So let's get to it. Let's empty out this garage as quickly as we can because I want to get done with this entire house today. Alright guys, so we finished clearing out the garage. There was actually bags of insulation here, so we're itching everywhere. I was not expecting that, to be honest with you. I had walked the property before, but I had not noticed that there's insulation, so now we're covered in insulation. We're gonna go ahead and go inside. I'm hoping to wrap this up today. The sun's starting to come down, so we're gonna try to clear out the inside of the house, and then I'll show you guys all the furniture that's outside, and then all the bags of crap that we also collected. So let's go ahead and go inside. All right guys, so we cleared out the garage, we cleared out the living room. I'm out of breath, which means I'm out of shape. But this house is completely full of junk. This entire time we found one little gas container that we could keep and save, and then this beauty right here. Do you guys see this? Wonderful. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm actually gonna put this in my own apartment because the one that I have now in my apartment is really old. And since this house is mostly gonna get done with, we're not gonna need this. All right, guys.